Welcome! Today I'm going to show you how to mute microphone on your DELL Latitude 5420 laptop. So basically you have two ways of doing that. The first one would be using function keys. A function key to mute your microphone is an F4 button, which is located right here. And as you can see, pressing this button enables a white dot on top of it, and as long as you can see that dot, that means that your microphone is muted. But if it didn't work for you, that means that your function keys are blocked, and to unlock them you have to press the F1 button located next to your left control button at the bottom of your keyboard, together with an escape button. And then just try and press F4 button again to mute your microphone. So to unmute it, just press the button once again. Now the next option would be using your sound settings. To enter your sound settings, right click the speaker icon, then go sound settings, then select your input device. In my case I have my headset. Go right here and then just press don't allow. So to enable your microphone once again, just press allow. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below.